So good day everyone, my name is Jasper Jan and Bukilia. So for today's video, we are going to have an informative video that is related to COVID-19. But before we go into that, I will show you the confirmed COVID-19 cases of Pasig City first. This is the data from Pasig City Facebook page and it has the data of the confirmed cases of barangays in Pasig City. So we need to find the COVID-19 cases of Pasig City first quartile. We have a total of 30 barangays. Then using the formula Q1 is equals to 1/4 times n plus 1 term, we need to substitute the n term or 30 plus 1. So 1/4 times 30 plus 1 term is equals to 7.75 or 8 term. And it says that the 8th term is 842. For the interpolation, quartile 1, 842 minus 652 is equals to 190. Then 190 times 0.75 is equals to 142.5. 652 plus 142.5 is equals to 794.5. So the interpretation of this is that therefore 25% of the COVID-19 cases in Pasig City is less than or equal to 794.5. Then 75% of the confirmed COVID-19 cases in Pasig City is greater than 794.5. So it means that 794.5 is just the 25% of the total cases in Pasig City. So after seeing how many did the COVID-19 affect every Pasigueño or every person in the world, first we need to know about what are the nutritional recommendations for the COVID-19 quarantine. Several studies reported that fruits and vegetables supplying micronutrients can boost immune function. This happens because some of these micronutrients such as vitamin E, vitamin C, and beta-carotene are antioxidants. You can find beta-carotene in sweet potatoes, carrots, and green leafy vegetables, while sources of vitamin C include red peppers, orange, strawberries, broccoli, mangoes, lemon, and vitamin E are vegetable oils such as soybean, sunflower, corn wet germ, and walnut, nut, seed, spinach, and broccoli. It's not just food that belongs to the nutritional recommendation but also having proper exercise while at home, drinking plenty of water, getting enough sleep, and etc. Next is what makes a healthy diet in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic. Food that makes a healthy diet in the midst of COVID-19 are the one with less salt, less sugar, less fat, and high in fiber. You need to correct portion of your foods you intake so that it will not affect your health. And lastly, drink lots of water. When it comes to pandemic, what are the long-lasting fruits and vegetables should consume during COVID-19 pandemic? The long-lasting fruits and vegetables that we should consume during the COVID-19 pandemic are citrus fruits like orange, clementines, and grapefruits, as well as bananas and apples, which can also be cut into smaller pieces and frozen for later consumption to add to smoothies. Root vegetables such as carrots, turnips, and meats, as well as vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower are relatively non-perishable. Garlic, ginger, and onions are also great options to keep at home, as they can be used to add flavor to a variety of meals. Although fresh or frozen veggies are usually preferred, canned vegetables such as mushrooms, spinach, peas, tomatoes, and green beans are good alternatives with a longer shelf life. When feasible, consider product with little or no additional salt. Lastly, is it safe to consume sugar if you test positive for COVID-19? According to early research, roughly 25% of persons admitted to hospital with severe COVID-19 infection also had diabetes. Diabetes patient had a higher risk of significant complications and death from the infection. High consumption of sugar can impair the immune system, so as a result, Those who consume a lot of sugar are more likely to catch the virus since their immune system aren't strong enough to fight it. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you've learned something from me in this video and hope you're doing too well and stay safe, avoid getting COVID-19.